Local AI is getting crazy good, and today I'm showing you the easy Windows version. 4 clicks and you'll have the latest and greatest AI model running on your Windows machine. What you will need is a GPU, also called a video card, with 12 or more gigabytes of memory, which you can check by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete, Task Manager, Performance tab, and then selecting the GPU. You can see that I have 12 gigabytes. All the new ones should suffice. You'll also need Windows 10 or 11 and some disk space. The model is downloaded once, then it's cached. First step is download LM Studio. You go to lmstudio.ai and press download. Then, after it's installed, you are greeted with this screen. Next, get started. We create our first project. Then you press Get Local Model, and then you search for Qwen 3.8 27B. Here we select Qwen 3.8 27B and the company that publishes very good models with appropriate sizes unslot. Here we need to select our size. I prefer the biggest one with a green badge, but just leave a little bit of headroom for it to sync. So I'm selecting the second best. Now it's downloaded, click Use in New Chat. Let's try asking it something. As you can see, it responded. For example, you can use this local model for processing documents. Use this button to drop in some files. For example, you can use it to find a clause in a contract that would take you a long time to find. With proper setup, it can work with Word and Excel documents as well. Tell me if you're interested in that. Check out my other video for the Mac setup and drop comments if you face any problems or issues. I'll try my best to help. Comments, like and subscribe are always welcome. If anything's unclear, I can make another video and explain it in detail. Thank you for watching.